Look how smoky this kitchen is. I hope it doesn't set the fire alarms off. It might be hard to tell, but it's really smoky in here. The smoke's even gotten into my bedroom. Wow, look at that. You can't see it, but it's there. Oh boy. That is pretty crazy. A lot of smoke. Wow, smoke even in the living room. Oh my gosh, I knew that was going to happen. It set off the fire alarms. Oh, this is just great. Look at this. Look at it. What happens when there's too much smoke around from cooking bacon? Look out there. It's crazy. See what all the smoke does? Let me try to shut this alarm off. Okay, hopefully all that smoke doesn't set it off again. That was epic.
Catch me weekday afternoons at 5 for the drive at 5. I'll be playing at half